Your Excellency, under the Ministry of Energy, there is an institution called Kitugum Institution of Petroleum. This can help us upskill our graduates, and they can be able to go and work in the petroleum sector. There is a rumor that I heard that these people are looking for people from other countries, or they want to outsource. Why don't we work together, upskill our learners here, so that they can serve our petroleum industry? Your Excellency, it is another solution, and this is in the Ministry of Works. There is a project that is upcoming called standard gauge railway. This standard gauge railway requires so many welders. Instead of keeping our welding teams here redundant, why don't we register them, Your Excellency? We work together with that ministry so that when that project starts, we can employ them.
Changed. But all this is your effort, Your Excellency. Mama, thank you for being a mother. We thank God for you every day, as families, as ladies, as everyone. Congratulations for keeping us as families and Uganda as a family.
Your Excellency, this initiative, which I believe you launched in 2017, has gone a long way toward giving our young people a new hope and dignity. As many of them testify that they never believed that they could learn to become self-reliant and independent members of their communities. So on behalf of the young people and their families gathered here today, I express our sincere gratitude to you, Mr. President, for the concern you exhibit for the next generation who are the future of our country.
Eyo abana bamwe bazukuru baffe bandi badde basomera bwerere mu masomero ga gavumenti. Leba headmaster nabo obukiiko bw'amasomero abanaku babajja mu ssente. Yensonga abaana bamu bw'otunula mu bwino, abaana bali mu masomero ga primary gali bukadde 11 kumpi. So nga mu primary omwana amalamu emyaka 7, P1 to P7. Naye amasomero ga secondary nago kumpi gatwala ebbanga lya myaka gye gimu, kubanga giri myaka 6, S1 to S6. Naye abaana bali mu S1 to S6 abali mu secondary bali bukadde 2,600. Kati awo weebuuza nti bali obukadde 11 abaali mu primary bwe batuuse eno mu secondary balazeewa. Kitegeeza nti bavudde mu kusoma. N'olwekyo kino kyenkoze wano, kubanga bano abaana basomera bwereere, mbaweereza n'ekyamisana. Enkola eyo ku lwakimwe ab'omululu mwagiremesa eyo masomero gammwe wansi aga gavumenti. Tugenda kukiddamu era tugenda kugulawo olutalo lw'amaanyi n'abo abakotogera ebyandiyambye abantu baffe. Kati laba ezzadde lino lyonna abasanyuse n'okuyimba ne bayimba kubanga gavumenti ebataasizza okubafunira omwoga gw'okukola buli omu. Kulwaki enkola eyo tebona wonna mu masomero ga gavumenti? No mu masomero ga tekiniko aga gavumenti. Jene Bareke ayogedde ku kigambo ekya ssente z'entandikwa. The big problem here in Africa is disorientation. The quotation I made from the prayer book, it says they left undone what they ought to have done, and they did that they ought not to have done, and there is no truth in them. So you wonder about the Africans who are here, everything they are using is imported. Clothes, shoes, chairs. You find people here in the tropical area buying furniture from Dubai, a desert. That's a big curse to themselves. So what our program here is doing is to wake up these young people to say you can make money from satisfying human needs. Need of food, of clothing, of shelter, of transport, all those are needs that you can satisfy, and in the process you get income for yourself. And what I was telling them is that with my office from 2017, according to what Mama was saying, we have been able to train these young people for free. We don't take money from them. And I'm now challenging the whole system, the whole political class, and the whole administrative class. Why can't we introduce free education as we had planned in all the government schools, primary and secondary and technical?
And so what you coming to us